What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video here in Greenville. Today I'm going to be going over some of the leaks, so let's get right into it. Alright, let's start with the Prius. So, Greenville is adding older version of the Prius. As you can see, I think it looks very good. It's pretty close to the real thing. Yeah, I think it'll be a good car. Next is the X6. As you can see, very good model. Just look at the headlights, they're very detailed. Looks pretty close to the real one. Probably be a nice luxury car. Next, the Acura NSX. Probably, I mean, these things are coming back now, so it'll be probably pretty good. It looks similar to the real one. Obviously, cars will never look as good, but it still does look good for fictional. So I'm excited for this. Next is the Cyber Fridge. Do I really have to say anything? Fridges, they're very ugly, so I don't think I'll have to say anything about that. It just looks worse than the real one. I don't know why they're adding it, wasting time on like developing stuff that's already in the game like that. And we don't have problems with Tesla. I don't know why, but that's a waste of time. But you know, I'm not a developer, so I don't know. Alright, the Lexus. Wow, there are so many trims. Like there's one with a roof rack, there's one with a surfboard, which is first. There's one with a bike without the front tire. Ski box. Tons of trims, as you can see. I'm really excited for Lexus to come back. I think I'll be driving a lot of those around. Especially like camping role plays with the bike and the ski box, and then summer like beach role plays with the surfboard. It's gonna be good. Last but definitely not least is the Chevy C10s, K10s, and the Blazers, it appears. Wow. Tons of trims from what we can see already. Finally adding Chevy trucks back into the game. This is probably what I'm most excited for right now. To be getting more classics, and then Chevy trucks finally back in the game. I'm super excited for that. Hopefully soon they also add like the newer Chevy trucks back into the game. Yeah, that's what I'm most excited for. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If I missed anything, let me know in the comments. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, please consider liking, subscribing. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.